Hi, Phil Morgan here again, and there's another video in the free training series for affiliate marketing and other things to do with affiliate marketing. If I look all hot and sweaty, it's because I am. It's 44 degrees outside today in the sun, and it's warm in here. So this one's all about graphics and a program called Canva. If you are doing reviews and you want to do a review on a product on YouTube, I picked out something here, or probably take out, right, let's get rid of this picture. If you do a review, all of these have what we call a thumbnail, and they all have a picture. It's something to look at, and it's something to make. This is what makes the customer or the prospective customer look at your review before you start. I'm saying review because this is just the one aspect of graphics. There's other things to do. So it's really how you can. I'm just going to go on this bit, how to create a thumbnail for you and how to do a few other little things on it. So if we go over back to Canva, if I can find it again. Right, this is Canva. It's a free program, costs you nothing. That's why I like it. You come in, you sign up, it's free, as I said, to sign up. You come over here, I'm going to go create a design, and I'm going to type in, and the search box is just outside this, by the way, but you can see what I type in the box. I'm going to type in YouTube, and up comes some, sure, you can do channel art, you can do a logo, you can do a display ad. So I'm going to go for thumbnail for a minute. And it comes up with the size that you need already, so you haven't got to do any thinking or anything like that. Here comes the... It always takes longer when I've got the camera on there. This comes up at the size ready to do a thumbnail. Over on the left here, we're going to get the options that we've got, and they put a new option on a while back, which is really makes things very easy. Let's take that picture out a little bit so you can see that. So here's some choices you get there. You get some templates. These are new and they're really good. You can add elements. Let's do templates first. I started using it, so this will give you some ideas of thumbnails that you can just copy and then just change it. It's a brilliant way of doing thumbnails really quickly. Come on, while it's thinking. I'm going to pause this for 2 seconds while it comes on. I'll carry it back again. These are some of the templates so you can get done for you already, and then all you've got to do is alter them a little bit. And then just, if you look at, I go back to this one here of how they've done them. They've got some words, they've got a picture, same here, picture, words, a background. He's picked a background, he's put a picture over it and some words. This bit is copied off. Same with this one. He's picked a background and some words on it, same as that one. So they'll run to a format, and if you look at them, they're all trying to grab your attention before you start. So which one would you look at? I must admit I'd probably avoid this one. I don't like that one for some reason, not that one. But bright colours, this one purple, it stands out. You want to stand out from the crowd if you're doing this. So if we go back to our design, all you do with any of these is pick on it. Let's say we're doing a product, this one. It's on there. I'm going to call this, take the words out there, delete that words, and we're going to call it Dan's Money Machine. I don't know if I've done it all right. There, Dan's Money Machine. I can make it a bit smaller so it fits into that space. Oh, come on. And my computer's decided to work on a go slow. Pause it again a couple of seconds. Okay, I've moved it about a bit. Just by sliding it, I've clicked on it, so I'm going to make the letters smaller. The reason it reacts, by the way, and why it's going slow is because the camera's on and they're trying to work behind the camera with it. But there, I've gone smaller, and you can just slide it about to where you want it. This is working really badly. This does actually work here. They've got a picture in there, so I'm going to click on this box here. and I'm going to go for uploads. And this is some of the uploads on my things, and a lot of some of them look a bit stupid, but it's when I was playing around to show the kids things on there. So one of my kids into fitness, so I've got hair from it. That's my sister. And the one I'm looking for is this one here. I did a picture of me. I'm going to put it over there. I'm going to put my picture over there. And this is for you to play around. You can see you can do what you like with it. They've got a little circly bit there. I can click on that and go delete with it. That'll come out. And you can add all sorts of shapes and elements to it. These are ones I've downloaded from elsewhere. I'm going to show you do this on this as well. Take the background out of the picture, because most of the pictures you see on here, they've taken the backgrounds out. So he's overlaid a back. He's got the background he's put in, and then he's put a picture over the top. Same with this one. This is a cool little thing to do, and it makes it look better. So go back there. That's how you do it. We're going to stop it again. I'm going to show you how to do a custom made one as well. So bear with me a second now. Okay, just done another blank one. It's the same size. So then look on backgrounds that you can get. You can have a background of your choice. You can pick a colour. Reds and greens tend to show out more, a bit gaudy, but people do notice them. Other things you can do are do picture backgrounds. They've got some in here. So you can have a city at the back. Blue thing, nice panelled wall if you want to be posh with it. There, you can put your picture on top of it, go back to uploads. There's the picture I used before, so I can put that over there. And we're going to go to text, add a heading, do it again, Dan's money machine. Change the colour of the print, you can put it where you like, and then we're going to put some more text in, and we're going to go how to make $4.95 per day. Seems quite a common heading. There we are, so we can make that different. You see, once you've got it, it's just fun to play around with, and you can find better ways of doing it for you. That in red. And that's it. This is all you have to do with it. So it's a great program to use. It's free to use. I will show you quickly how to create a picture and take the background out, because you don't really want an ordinary photo put in there. You come over to a program called remove.bg. Free program again. I like free programs. So here's the program. It's called remove.bg. You upload the image that you want to do. Let's go for a new image. Just the one I've done a minute ago. Where's the one? There she is. Portrait. Press that. See what happens. There's the original, and there's the portrait. There's it all removed. Takes 2 or 3 seconds, but it means you can put this sort of picture over it. So that less than 10 minutes. It's a quickie on how to use Canva, free program, remove backgrounds, remove.bg. Play around with it. When you go into your Canva, you've got lots and lots of options. You can do sizes that they've pre-done for you. You can come down here to custom sizes. You can print little logos. You can do anything you like with this. Really good program. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's the 3rd one, I think, in this free training series that I'm doing. And any questions, email me. It's on the website somewhere. And take care. Look after yourselves.